Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, February 7th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had an incredible day today. Actually, the Dow really didn't do too much. It was positive most of the day and then sold off a little bit on the last 15 minutes of the day, ending up negative 19. But overall, this was basically doing some consolidation after the extreme volatility we have seen the last few days. But the Dow did nothing to change my mind that these lows down here yesterday and the day before are the lows of this correction, and we will see higher. We will see stocks moving higher now. And as I said previously, that in spite of the pain of this massive sell-off of over 2,000 points in the Dow, this would ultimately benefit us. And today, I was certainly proved right about this. I totaled up our losses that we took on this drop, 2,000 points plus in the Dow in the first 4 days of February, and we took just over $30,000 in losses during that time. Now, $30,000 isn't small change, but consider the intensity of this sell-off. We probably aren't doing too bad there, losing $30,000 in those 4 days. Today, however, was the turnaround day, and this is why I have such great faith in this system. We came into today with only 7 positions, and we closed out all 7 of those positions positive. And we took out $34,000 in closed-out trades today. Added to that, we got into 6 new positions. 5 were positive, only 1 was negative, and we're carrying positive 7,500 going into tomorrow. Therefore, we have made over $40,000 just today, and that pretty much wipes out that $30,000 loss that we took on the big drop, and it's put us squarely in the black for February. Pretty unbelievable, and that's why I stick with the system. That's all I can say. The thing turns around and makes a lot of money, and we're really set up. Not only are we positive for February, but I think we're really set up to see some big winning days here for the rest of February. That is my prediction. I'll show you. I got so many trades I can't show them all, do you all the good stuff. I'll give you a sample. This first one is an Overstock. Excuse me. Overstock.com Incorporated. We had bought this yesterday, just as soon as we could into the trading day. It went against us. Then it came back. It's actually closed against us on the close yesterday, but it pops up there very nicely this morning, and we're holding 1,500 shares in this thing, and we ended up taking out $6,000 in profits in Overstock.com. Then we've got another one here. This is DPW, Digital Power Corporation. And we had bought this yesterday, last hour, almost at the end of the day. It closed positive in our favor, but then it gapped up again and kept going this morning. So we ended up taking out over $12,000 out of Digital Power Corporation. Beautiful trade there. Beautiful trade. And both the Overstock and this one, we're getting out pretty close to the high of the day. That really looks good. And then as far as our new stocks, this was the big surprise of the day. This is Weight Watchers International. I've never understood why this is such a volatile stock, but it is. And when it goes in your favor, you make a lot of money. Anyway, we bought this today right out of the gate on this big spike up. Had to jump in there right away. It never looked back. It just screamed and screamed pretty much the whole day. And we're holding $8,500 positive in open trade equity in Weight Watchers International. So just a beautiful day. Over $40,000 in profits. We're back into the red for February, and we're set up beautifully for more profits throughout February. So just forget all this stuff about a bear market or even a market correction. I think we're done with the market correction. We're going to see some real good markets here. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.